Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to run your power wire from your battery to your amps. This kit right here is going to be for your system 1A, and then this kit right here is going to be for your system 1B. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to go ahead and remove this rubber seal on my firewall where I'm going to insert my wire. Okay, so now that I have my seal removed, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting around this right here, because this is where I'm going to slide my power wire through in order to protect it. Okay, so for this next step, I'm going to be poking a hole in the padding right there through my firewall, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my screwdriver, just like that. Okay, so before I run my power wire, I'm going to go ahead and put my split loom over it. What I'm going to do is, what I like to do is, you split it right here and you just start tucking your power wire in. I'm going to leave myself a little bit of play, but I'm just going to start tucking it in. Now that I have my split loom on my power wire, I'm going to go ahead and run it behind this connection right here. And I'm going to go ahead and run my power wire behind my battery, off to the side a little bit right there, and then connect it to my fuse block. Okay, so now I want to go over here and push my power wire behind that, and then I want to go behind this AC line right here. Push that all the way back, and then you want to also tuck it into your brake booster, and that should hold it nice and tight. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this seal and I'm going to slide it down. Now I can go ahead and insert my power wire through my firewall. Go ahead and pull the rest of this through and tuck it right here. Okay, so now that I have my rubber seal in place on my firewall, I can go ahead and cut away the rest of my split loom and zip tie my power wire into place.